We are pleased to show you the 2018 Corolla IM. The Toyota Corolla IM is a functional hatchback with a sporty look. You'll be thrilled with a comfortable ride, spacious interior, and overall enjoyable driving experience. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, FWD. Come see the car for yourself.